Hi guys, welcome to another very interesting and new collar self-defense technique. If you want to learn this technique, then don't miss any part of this video. If someone you know or a friend grab your collar, then how to defend yourself. If a front one person is not your friend or enemy and your life is danger from him, then you will do also attacks that will harm for him. But if he is your friend, then you will do this technique that will not harm him. And this technique definitely will work. So let's start. Step number 1. Grab his wrist like this with your right hand, as you can see in the video. Now step number 2. Set your position legs, and if your stance is not good, then you can't do this technique. So set your legs and grab his neck by twisting your body and lock his neck and round him and grab him like this way. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yeah. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4. Turn around. Guys, now we'll show you this technique in fast motion. Guys, I hope you like the video, and if you want to do this technique, then you have must practice it and tell us in the comment box how much this technique is being applied. And if you are new and you want to learn more interesting techniques, then subscribe our channel, share video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.